Welcome to Smart Coin. To hear your daily crypto, passive income, and smart investing ideas. Today, here is an expert explaining the explosive growth of Ethereum coming soon.
You won't be able to buy Ethereum under 3,000 for long, guys. Let me show you what I'm looking at today in the Ethereum chart. So yes, we're still in this range. You could call it a bull flag. It is a bull flag, and the length of that pole for the bull flag is huge. It's 53%. So we're talking about a price target when this breaks out somewhere in the region, taking us up to about $3,500 Ethereum. I'm going to show you some more things in this chart at the moment, like how Ethereum's respecting this support level, this curve support line, and we do have a very aggressive bull flag which is leading into the major resistance of 2,700, which we can see in a few other charts as well. But we're also supported by the moving averages. So Ethereum's coiling up very well, and I've got an update to give you on my Ethereum trade, because with you right now, I'm actually going to extend my Ethereum long trade. It's currently 4 Ethereum in profit. We're about $13,000 in profit here, and I've got almost 1 Ethereum to play with. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to extend that trade at market right now with you. I'm going to press long, and I'm going to press confirm. So I've increased my Ethereum position now. My average entry is now $2,130, and my estimated liquidation is $1,873, but my stop loss is actually going to be set at about $1,950. So let me show you why I've extended my Ethereum long trade for my updated analysis and price prediction. We'll start off with Bitcoin very quickly. Very important to see what the market's doing. Of course, we need to look at Bitcoin for that. Quick smash of the like, guys, as always. That's much appreciated. Now, Bitcoin is flagging right now. We are in this bull flag formation, and I think Bitcoin still has a long way to run, at least to $155,000, maybe $170,000 for this cycle. The important thing to note is Bitcoin dominance, which is how much of the entire crypto market cap Bitcoin's making up. At the moment, it's about 64%, but you can see how that is really struggling to keep those gains in order. And we are seeing a bit of a break to the downside in the Bitcoin dominance, which is great for the most aggressive stage of the market, which of course is Ethereum season, then altcoin season. The Ethereum spot ETF inflows have been brilliant. They're just increasing now day by day. We're seeing very, very bullish spot ETFs, so institutional money is flooding the market. And you can see on the 4-hour time frame, Ethereum is breaking to the upside against Bitcoin. So this is a lower time frame, but you can see here in this tweet I made, Ethereum against Bitcoin in terms of a reversal. You can see on the higher time frame how it's been very well respected. We've seen that big bounce from the lows, and it now seems like Ethereum against Bitcoin is getting a big bid here. So I'm going to talk about those charts in a moment. I actually thought this was interesting as well. Look at where the Bitcoin fear and greed is right now, and look at Ethereum. And this is with Ethereum making better gains than Bitcoin. So today, at the time of making this video, Ethereum is up 2.26%, 2.25%. You can see Bitcoin is actually around break even or underwater, and even against Sol, Sui, BNB, Ethereum is winning, and that's been the case for this month. Ethereum is the winning chain at the moment, and actually that's in price, but even in the on-chain data in terms of DEX volume, I won't show you that now, but I've been tracking charts like that, and that's been winning as well.
Real traders are making significant trades for Ethereum now.